Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're constantly on the go, draining your phone battery during travel or needing a quick charge for multiple devices without bulk, then get charged up because today we're reviewing the Anker Prime Power Bank 100 mAh. This compact powerhouse offers 10,000 mAh capacity for up to 2 full phone charges, 100 watt fast charging with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A, smart digital display for real-time battery info, TSA approved for carry-on flights, slim aluminium design for portability, and included pouch for protection. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description and trust me, if you want a power bank that's fast, reliable for daily commutes or trips, and keeps all your gadgets juiced, this is the one that'll power your adventures. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Anker Prime Power Bank 100 mAh. This bank has a premium aluminium body that's slim at 0.6 inches thick and lightweight at 7 ounces, fitting easily in pockets or bags without adding weight. The 10,000 mAh lithium battery provides high-speed 100-watt output via 2 USB-C ports that support PD 3.0 for charging laptops, phones, or tablets quickly. Think full iPhone charge in under an hour. The USB-A port adds compatibility for older devices, and it recharges itself at 65 watts for fast top-ups. The built-in LED display shows exact battery percentage, input-output watts, and estimated time remaining, so you're never guessing. Safety is top-notch with Anker's ActiveShield tech, monitoring temperature and voltage over 3 million times daily to prevent issues. It's airline approved with no lithium warnings needed and comes with a mesh pouch for storage. Setup is plug and play. Charge it via USB-C, connect your device, and watch the display guide you. Priced around $50, it's value-driven with an 18-month warranty. The pros are charged excellence, rapid 100-watt charging that powers multiple devices simultaneously without slowdown, accurate digital display for precise monitoring, compact and durable build perfect for travel, TSA-friendly for hassle-free flights, safe with advanced protections against overheat, and affordable for the power it packs. Users rave about the speed, portability, and how it saves them from dead batteries on long days. On the con side, the 10,000 mAh capacity may not suffice for heavy, multi-day use without recharges. No wireless charging if you prefer pad style. The aluminium can scratch without the pouch, and recharging takes a couple hours at max speed. A few mention it's warmer during fast charges, but overall the pros dominate for on-the-go power. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the Anker Prime Power Bank 100 mAh if you travel often, and the pros like fast multi-device charging, portability, and smart display make sense for you. It's perfect for commuters, students, or anyone needing reliable power without bulk. Before we wrap, if these reviews charge your tech game, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend, always low on battery, or subscribe for more. See you next time.